Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Auto Tech. Are you looking for the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam is a versatile and high-performance car camera designed to provide comprehensive coverage for your vehicle. It features a triple camera system, offering 4K plus 108OP resolution for the front and rear, 1440p plus 144OP for the front and inside, and 1440p plus 144OP plus 108OP for a three-way view. This ensures crystal clear footage from every angle, whether you are monitoring the road, the interior, or the rear of your car. Equipped with advanced infrared, IR night vision, the N4 captures sharp and detailed video even in low light conditions, making it ideal for nighttime driving. The dashcam also includes a 24-hour parking mode, which uses motion detection and G-sensor technology to automatically record any incidents while your car is parked. The N4 supports loop recording, ensuring continuous footage by overwriting the oldest files when the memory card is full. Its compact design and easy installation make it a convenient addition to any vehicle. With its reliable performance and advanced features, the Vantrue N4 is an excellent choice for drivers seeking enhanced security and peace of mind on the road. Number 2. The REDTIGER 4K 3-channel dashcam is a state-of-the-art car camera designed to provide comprehensive coverage and high-quality recording for your vehicle. Featuring 3 channels, it captures crystal clear footage in 2160p, 4K for the front, 1080p for the rear, and 1080p for the interior, ensuring every angle is covered. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows for seamless connectivity to your smartphone, enabling easy access to live views, playback, and settings adjustments via the dedicated app. With built-in GPS, the dashcam records your driving route and speed, providing valuable data in case of incidents. The package includes a 64GB micro SD card, offering ample storage for your recordings. The 3-inch LCD screen provides real-time monitoring and easy navigation through the menu. Additionally, the infrared night vision ensures clear footage even in low light conditions, making it ideal for 24/7 surveillance. Whether for security, evidence, or peace of mind, the REDTIGER dashcam is a reliable and feature-packed solution for modern drivers. Number 3. The REDTIGER dashcam front rear is a high-performance car camera designed to capture every detail of your journey. Featuring 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, it delivers crystal clear footage in Full HD, ensuring you never miss a moment. The dashcam comes with a pre-installed 32GB card, providing ample storage for your recordings. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS allow for easy connectivity and real-time tracking, while the 3.16 inches IPS screen offers a clear view of your footage directly on the device. Equipped with advanced night vision technology, the REDTIGER dashcam ensures superior visibility in low light conditions, making it ideal for nighttime driving. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens captures a broad field of view, minimizing blind spots and providing comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. Whether you are navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway, this dashcam offers reliable performance, enhanced safety, and peace of mind. Compact, user-friendly, and packed with features, it's the perfect companion for any driver. Number 4. The Wolfbox 3-channel dashcam is a cutting-edge car camera designed to provide comprehensive coverage and superior video quality. Featuring built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, this dashcam allows you to effortlessly connect to your smartphone for real-time viewing, video downloads, and GPS tracking. It offers a triple camera system, capturing 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160 for the front camera, 1440p, 2560 by 1440 for the interior, and 1080p, 1920 by 1080 for the rear, ensuring crystal clear footage from every angle. The 3-inch LCD screen provides easy access to settings and playback, while the 32GB included memory card offers ample storage for recordings. With advanced features like night vision, motion detection, and loop recording, the Wolfbox-IO7 ensures reliable performance in all driving conditions. Whether for security, evidence, or capturing scenic drives, this dashcam is a versatile and essential tool for any vehicle. Number 5. The Azdome 4K dashcam front and rear is a high-performance car camera designed to capture every detail of your journey. Featuring advanced STARVIS night vision technology, it delivers exceptional clarity in low light conditions, ensuring reliable recording around the clock. The front camera records in stunning UHD 2160p resolution, while the rear camera provides additional coverage for comprehensive protection. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily connect the dashcam to your smartphone via the dedicated app, allowing you to view, download, and share footage effortlessly. The included 64GB card offers ample storage for your recordings, and the built-in GPS accurately tracks your location and speed. The 2.4 inches IPS screen provides a clear live view and playback of your footage. Easy to install and user-friendly, this dashcam is a reliable companion for safe and secure driving, offering peace of mind on the road.